It's an interesting project for me because Emma and I were friends before we filmed. So the friendship came first and then the film came. And I think the film grew out of spending time with Emma. You know, as we were doing stuff together, I would be asking Emma, so tell me about this part of your life. And she would share stories, and as she shared stories with me, I started to realise that inside this very humble woman was this incredible leader. This is a woman who's had a phenomenally dynamic life, filled with ups and downs, notwithstanding the fact that, you know, through a lot of the time that I've known Emma, she's been dying. But you wouldn't know that.
So her story is really about being a master navigator and becoming a role model in many ways by using her craft as this master navigator, which there aren't very many women in that field. Like Nawhanua and Salamasina, who are our heroes of Samoa, you know, we have this contemporary amazing woman whose life story through her craft as a waka builder and master navigator was able to journey through life, and then through this documentary assist us in telling how it is that we can overcome some of the trials and tribulations that we face going through life's journey and come out the other end with hope and courage and peace and a real beautiful sense of belonging to being of the Pacific, being of Samoa and being of Aotearoa.
Loimata's the story of power of one woman to transform her family and to reconnect them back to their beloved Samoa. So she might be one woman, but she's one family. And then she takes that idea of family into the Pacific and sees that in this area we are one family. And so she brings together her Māori brothers and sisters in the voyaging community, her Samoan brothers and sisters. I think Emma's an extraordinary woman. We don't see a lot of films and stories about real women leadership, how to lead as a woman of the Pacific. And I think that's really the spirit of the film. It's come on board, it's come and stand beside Emma and experience her life and her magnificent family and their courage and bravery to go even deeper as a family and to love each other more fiercely as a family.
We're now 3, 4, 5 generations deep. It's oftentimes very messy and broken, ugly. But we've come back to this place as a sacred place. Yeah. We've come to try and unlock its meanings. Yes. To bring each of us here. And mostly through Emma's journey.